Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena. Today I will discuss about job opportunities in cybersecurity. Nowadays we can see the influence of IT in every aspects of our life, whether we are performing our office work or our personal work. Everywhere IT. We are having so many devices around us which are connected via internet, and everywhere, either in an office or home, we are dealing with those devices, and IT is in our life. Okay, so that's the reason it's growing with a very rapid pace, because lot of devices are emerging, different applications are invented, and those applications are on our devices. Clear? So the global market growth is expected by 2020 is 457 billion. It's huge. And in upcoming years, in 2020 and 21, the growth rate is expected 36 to 39%. So let's just have a think, what is the main factor that is increasing the growth in the field of IT is with a very rapid pace. In 2003, the world population was 6.3 billion, and the devices at that time was connected only just 0.5 billion. That was very less as compared to the world population. Okay, in 2010, the world population just increased by 0.5 billion. It's just reached to 6.8 billion, and the devices those are connected over the internet, that reached 12.5 billion, double of the population. Similar way, we are expecting the world population in 2020 is 7.6 billion. Okay, and the devices those are expected to be connected over the internet is 50 billion. Huge devices are connected, whether those devices are IoT, like our car are connected over internet, our refrigerator, lights, our water system, power management, those devices are connected over internet. Clear? So what the factor, if for example, okay, the world population is not increasing with that rapid pace, but the devices those are connected are increasing, it's a huge speed. So what means, nowadays we are having mobile phone, tab, laptops and other many devices which are internet enabled. So just to manufacturing those devices, okay, and to run the operating system on those devices and performing different tasks over the with the help of those devices, we need applications. Clear? So just you can imagine for a minute, if that much of the devices are increasing and connecting over the internet, that's why they are increasing the growth rate of IT in different field, whether that's manufacturing the hardware, whether that's the operating system or the applications. Similar way, it is also opening a place for hackers, cyber criminals, because one thing is common for all these aspects, they are connected over the public network. And similar way, the hacking industry, or the we can say cyber criminal industry, is also growing at that pace. They are inventing more sophisticated attacks, different technologies they are developing just to hide themselves and damaging different organizations, individuals, countries around the world. They are performing different attacks. Okay, in 2000 there was just only worms. In 2005 they invented one more sophisticated attacks with the help of that's cyber spywares, rootkits, and in 2010 more advanced persistent threats just came in the market, and cyber wars happened. Nowadays more organized state governments or different companies, they are having highly policed cyber criminals which are performing different attacks. Clear? So this industries is also growing with the same pace as the devices are connecting, because the internet is also giving them a platform where they can also have access on the devices those are connected over the internet. And security is the main concern. So as you can see, the devices are emerging over the internet. Definitely there are application required, there are some loopholes, not some, many loopholes, and attackers are just exploiting those vulnerabilities, and whatever the data they can extract, they will. So the reason behind that is not having the awareness what is those attacks and how that's happening, and what are the vulnerabilities and how we can avoid them. Clear? So as per the John Chamber, former CEO of Cisco, there are two types of company. First, they know that cyber attack happen on them, they are hacked. Other one, they are hacked but they don't know. Okay, so they are not having the awareness of, yes, some attacks happened already on their organization, on their systems. Clear? So attackers are targeting the mass consumer who are just everyone is having internet and accessing internet, downloading different type of files, whether that video, audio, photos, some text, softwares, okay, applications. So attackers hiding their malware inside it and spreading over the internet. Clear? And that's reached to our devices and give control to the attackers. So everyone is under the attack. Clear? So if we try to understand where is the role of cybersecurity, it's a broad term and it's an umbrella. It's not a one concept or just I can say, okay, this one course is there for the cybersecurity. No, cybersecurity is an umbrella where it starts from, like, just take an example of in a very simple term, just to build somebody wants to build the castle. Okay, so first level they need the architect to design the castle, where which part will having the main structure or kitchen or living room or whatever the things that they can have on the castle. So first they will design on the paper. Clear? After that they will start to build the castle, and after building it, to guard it, they need continuously guard who can protect from the criminals to the castle. Similar thing also happen in case of cyber security. So when we are designing the infrastructure of our company, our organization, we need the people who will design it, how many devices we required, what are the policies will be there, who will handle all these aspects. So first they will design the structure, and then they build the network. After the building it, they need a team who can observe it. Is that whatever the security system we implemented or whatever the policies we designed, all these are policies are performing well? What are we expecting from those things? Because as I told you, cyber criminal industry is also growing with a rapid pace. They are inventing newly highly sophisticated attacks, and definitely if our system is not up to the mark or it's not evolving as per the industry, attack will happen. So all the devices, all the equipment what we placed, what are the policies we have implemented, the motive will be fail. Clear? So cybersecurity role starts from designing to build to guard. Everywhere is the role of the cybersecurity. Clear? Let's have a look on the one thing that is cyber operation center. Nowadays companies are having their in-house operation center that's related to security operation center, and some even we are having number of operation centers companies are offering as a service. We can just hire the services, and we need not to place manpower or the equipment. Those will do these tasks related to security operations. We can subscribe those. Clear? So guys, let's in the security operation centers, we need highly sophisticated devices. Those are continuously observing the data. Clear? And so definitely there are tools, applications, devices are there. So manpower required over there for performing different tasks, and it is 24/7. Clear? Because internet is open around the world and everyone is accessing it, so it is just 24/7 kind of job. So manpower, huge manpower required at that level. Clear? If somebody is just getting the subscription and continuously they are observing their customer, what type of traffic is passing through or entering into the organization, is it safe or not? So operations are performing. So definitely we can say to read all these things, whatever the logs are generated, what the traffic is saying, we need to understand those things. Manpower. Clear? So the job opportunities huge in different aspects, either the design, building and the guarding. Clear? So what type of job roles can be happen in security operation centers? As you can see, the data, for example, say from internet that is coming, and continuously that's observing those data. So that's the same packet capturing flow tools continuously to accessing all these. Analysis is happening. Clear? There are different intelligence investigating agencies are there, companies are there which are performing those tasks, like Cisco's Telos. Clear? So different levels, whether that's analysis, understanding the tools, or the research or investigating, everywhere there are vacancies, because we are having the huge gap, whatever the manpower required and right now whatever they are having at that current position. Clear? So what type of job roles can be, and how just those categorized as per the cyber security? In the publication of the NIST 800-181, they just created a common and consistent lexicon for the cyber security, because cybersecurity tasks or roles, we can say, need to perform at different levels. Okay, so there should be a common language which can be understandable for everyone in the field of IT. Because why that's important? Because performing some task, we need to have a knowledge, ability and the skills for it. So until unless we will not be stand on the common ground, we cannot learn those skills. Clear? So this document really provided wonderful information about the different job roles in cybersecurity. Because integrated cybersecurity workforce, they need to perform different tasks, whether that's related to designing, developing, implementing, maintaining defense and offense cyber strategies. Everywhere they need, and some specific roles are there. So there are, as per this document, there are 7 categories, and under the 7 categories they have 32 special areas. Okay, and there are number of job roles or the work role, and to perform those work roles there are some tasks, and to just do all those tasks we need knowledge, skills and abilities. Okay, so let's quickly have a look on different type of categories that exist in case of cyber security. That's our security provision, operation and maintain, overseas and governance. Because cyber security is just not performing some technical task, it's just from management level to understand the policies, how to implement, what are the compliance, what standards are there, each and everything. Okay, so like analysis, collect and operate, investigating, everywhere there are some job roles and job opportunities on different level. Why I'm just talking about these things? Until unless we will not able to understand different job roles, we will not able to prepare ourselves for those. Okay, first way we should know where is the destination, in which area I want to go. I want to go investigation, or I want to go in the operate or maintain, or I want to have appetite towards learning the different policies, compliance. So you need to find out where is your interest area. Okay, so I have discussed about these things in detail, what are the job work profile under different categories in the post of cybersecurity possible jobs, specialty areas and work role. So if you want to know more about what different job roles come under all these things, so you can just have a look on the Facebook page and you will find that article. Clear? So how you can train yourself for these type of different opportunities? Huge opportunities are there. You can even search on Google. On internet you will find a lot of information about different job roles and whatever the gaps are available. So guys, at the starting of this live session I have discussed about different devices are emerging over the internet every day. Clear? So means different products, you need to know about those products. So whatever the installation, how that's run, what are the troubleshooting about this one. Okay, and once you are having the knowledge of those products, you are having infrastructure in your organization. So next things just comes, you need to build the infrastructure, means build the castle. And to build it, what type of skills you required, you to learn all those. Clear? And how to secure them. Clear? Let's just say just an example of say ASA of Cisco's. There are different products from Juniper, Palo Alto, okay, just to secure those our networks. Clear? And after building your network and implemented the security devices, implementing the policies over there, you need to continuously observe it. So the security operations are there. Okay, so you need to guard it. So whatever the skills required for guarding, you have to have knowledge of all these things. And sometime even some special areas there, so you need special knowledge for performing those tasks. It can be technical knowledge, okay, or it can be some theoretical knowledge about to performing those tasks. So different areas where you can take a start. Clear? And I will say you, ethical hacking is really a very good start, because until unless you don't know what is the attack, what that can damage on your network, and how severe those attacks, you cannot protect yourself, you cannot protect your organization. So cybersecurity in just starting your career, or if you are already in the field of IT and having knowledge of the security, you should know about hacking. It will really open your mind, will give you a great insight to understand the cybersecurity field in a very depth way. Clear? So let's just have a look on different type of opportunities are around the world. So there are huge gaps even in the Asia Pacific. There are around 2.14 million opportunities are there. That's a gap, that much of the manpower required as per the observation done by the ISC. Okay, and in the North America, it's 498k. It's big. And in Latin America, it's 136. So guys, you can see there are huge gap in different areas, and are completely, we can say collectively, it's a 2.93 million of the vacancies are waiting for you guys in different areas of cybersecurity. Clear? And I also have collected the information from Cybersec and cybersec.org. As I have discussed, there are different 7 categories. So there are a number of opportunities in different categories. So guys, this is really a very open space. Cyberspace is waiting for you, different opportunities at different level of cybersecurity. Clear? So you can join me on the Facebook page, Cybersecurity Prism, so that you will able to get the notification, just like the videos, and follow me on the page. And you can also join the group Cybersecurity Forever. And in the next session, I will discuss about how are hackers using malicious MDM, mobile device management, for advanced mobile attacks. So guys, see you in the next session. Namaste, stay safe.